Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to change language on Crunchyroll. To change language on Crunchyroll, you just have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, you wanna go ahead and log into your account. For that, open up a browser and on the web address bar, type in crunchyroll.com, enter in your credential and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, that will take you to the home page. That's gonna look something like this. After which you want to click the profile from the top right hand side corner of your screen. After that you want to go to the settings, and when you go to settings you need to go to preferences. As soon as you go to preferences, you could find this default settings where you could see preferences for the particular username. Set your language and video preferences. So first of all, or currently it's my display language is English. So if I want to go ahead and change it, I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the arrow icon and then change it accordingly. And likewise, if you want to go ahead and change the audio language, you go ahead and make changes by tapping the arrow icon. Similarly with the subtitle, you go ahead and make changes with it. After done making changes, you just need to go ahead and click the OK button, and it's gonna ask you to verify, or maybe it's gonna send you a link confirming that. And this is the way you go ahead and add and change language in your Crunchyroll account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.